Good day, welcome back to Examhood. Examhood is an online platform that helps you to learn from experienced and seasoned teachers. My name is Ogunremi Taiwo, and then this is another session on mathematics. Today we are treating algebra, and we are starting with brackets and simplifying. Before we delve into this, I want us to learn few stuffs, because we'll be expanding brackets. We'll be multiplying through from variables and numbers outside the bracket to those ones inside the bracket. And then there are times that you have sign multiplication, like minus times plus, you have plus times minus, you have minus times minus, you have plus times plus. And then what are the expected and accurate answers you are supposed to put when you see stuff like this? So minus times plus gives you minus, plus times minus gives you minus, minus times minus gives you plus, and then plus times plus gives you plus. So now let's begin. Now, before you say you want to expand a bracket and you want to multiply through a particular bracket, there's something we call distributive law. Distributive law. It says that a term that is outside the bracket multiplies each of the terms inside the bracket. That is, you have a particular term, which is, for instance, let's have an example. You have 3. This is a term that is outside the bracket. X minus 2y, which are those terms inside the bracket. They now ask you to get the answer. Now, 3, open bracket, x minus 2y, then you close the brackets. They're asking you to multiply 3 through what you have inside this bracket. Now, let's see. 3 times x gives us 3x. 3 times minus 2y gives you, this is plus, right? This is minus. Plus times minus gives you minus. So 3 times minus 2y gives you minus 6y. And that is your answer. Let's see another example. Example 2. 2x, open bracket, x minus 2y plus z equal to, we don't know. Now let us see. This is a term outside there, which is 2x, and then the terms inside the brackets states x minus 2y plus z. Now let us see. Let's distribute. 2x times x gives us 2x squared. 2x times minus 2y plus times minus gives us minus, right? 2 times 2, 4, and xy, right? xy. Plus times plus gives us plus. 2x times z gives us 2xz. And that is your answer for that. We could simplify further, but in this case, it is not possible because we don't have anything common. So we just leave it like that. Else we would be returning back to where we were coming from. So it is just simplification. We're just expanding, distributing what you have outside into the bracket and having it like that. Now, let's move on. Number 3. 7y minus 4, open bracket, 2x minus 3. Looking at this particular question, you see that 7y is standing separately. It's not going to be multiplying this bracket. It is only minus 4 that will be distributed into this bracket. That is, what you have here is the only one that entering this bracket. Now, 7y remains here. Then we have minus 4 times 2x gives us minus 8x. Then minus 4 times minus 3. I told you minus times minus gives plus. Give us plus 12. And that is your answer. Alright, there's something you should note. Numbers can be added to numbers, and variables like x, y can also be added and they can multiply too. If you look at what we have here, let's say for instance 7, okay, let's look at what we have here. 2x times x give us what we have here to become x squared, and then when you go to this place, 2 and 2 multiplied, and you have like that. If we are to have, for instance, you have something like, after you must have expanded, let's say for instance what we have here. For instance, we have 7y minus 8x plus 2y plus 4 plus 3. You could make this, collecting like terms. could become 7y adding 2y. So it means that variables like x and y can always add themselves, and the numbers as well can also add them. So you can have this to become 9y, right, minus 8x. If this had gotten a similar value, like you can, that looks alike with it, you can actually add them together. So since we don't have any like that, so we'll just leave it like that, and we have plus 4 plus 3, that gives us 7, and then that's how you leave the answer. Thank you so much. See you in the next video.